The Elasmobranch Research Laboratory here at Florida Atlantic University studies the sensory biology and behavior of sharks and rays and all of their relatives. Recently, our lab has focused primarily upon the large aggregations of blacktip sharks that occur down here in South Florida every winter. For the past decade, we've been flying aerial surveys along the beach to count the numbers of sharks, look at when the sharks are here in greatest numbers, and where they're distributed along the coast. In addition to using airplanes to fly along and conduct these aerial surveys, we've also started to incorporate aerial drones to enable us to fly along and get closer views of these animals to get some more detailed understandings of their behavior. In addition to the sort of aerial studying sharks from the sky aspect, we're also getting out on the water to fish for the sharks. We capture the sharks, we bring them up alongside the boat. Our students are actively involved in the fishing, the measuring, tagging the sharks with various types of transmitters, acoustic transmitters, satellite transmitters, data loggers. And then after we've instrumented the shark with the transmitters, we will release it. And then as it swims away, we'll start to get information about its behavior after it leaves this area. This informs us about the migratory movements of these sharks as they are moving all the way up the coast up to Long Island in the summertime before coming back here again the following winter. While these sharks are massing in huge numbers, we take advantage of the fact that these aerial drones provide us not only a survey, but also the ability to stop and hover in place, which enables us to film the swimming kinematics of these animals. We're able to see whether these sharks are swimming in a nice polarized school or whether they are off doing their own individual thing. What's their tailbeat frequency? How quickly are they moving? We're able to get some ideas about the energetics that these sharks are using while they're here. And if they're consuming prey, we need to know that as well. We are employing block cameras. These block cams sit on the bottom and they record prey fish that swim by in addition to all the sharks that are swimming by. This gives us an idea of the ecological role of these blacktip sharks and the prey fish that they're consuming. Looking forward, we're starting to look at the predators of the blacktip sharks, the great hammerheads. We take advantage of the fact that we can use a lot of the same technology like aerial drones to look at how these great hammerheads are feeding on the blacktip sharks themselves. So as you can see, there's a lot of potential for students to get involved in the sort of elasmobranch research that we're doing here at FAU, and I encourage you to consider FAU as you're looking toward a career in marine biology.